5 things to know about chess plus 5 tips and hacks. Hello, chess enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll delve into a game that has fascinated minds for centuries, chess. We'll be discussing 5 key aspects you need to understand about this strategic game, followed by 5 pro tips and hacks that could help you win every match. If you're ready to upgrade your game, let's jump right in. Number 1. The power of each piece. Every piece in chess has its own unique value and capabilities. Pawns might seem insignificant, but they're crucial for protecting your more powerful pieces and maintaining control on the board. Knights can jump over pieces, a capability exclusive to them. Bishops have unlimited movement in diagonals, while rooks can move unlimited squares vertically or horizontally. Queens are the most powerful, having the abilities of both rooks and bishops. And the king, while not very mobile, is the most crucial, as the game is over when the king is checkmated. Number 2. The importance of control. Chess is a game of control. Your aim should be to control the center squares, which offers you more room to maneuver your pieces and limits your opponent's movement. Also, remember that the more active your pieces are, the more threats you can create against your opponent. Number 3. The role of strategy and tactics. Strategy and tactics go hand in hand in chess. While strategy is your long-term plan, tactics are the short-term methods you use to implement your strategy. To put it simply, strategy might involve deciding where to place your pieces, while tactics might involve specific sequences of moves, often designed to fork, pin, or skewer the opponent's pieces. Number 4. The importance of time. In chess, time is represented by the tempo of your moves. A move that threatens your opponent or develops your pieces is often considered to gain time, while a move that does not do this loses time. If you can stay ahead in development and keep your opponent responding to threats, you're effectively gaining time. Number 5. The endgame. The endgame is a crucial phase of the match where there are few pieces left on the board. Understanding the basics of endgame positions, such as king and pawn endings or rook endings, can often make the difference between a win or a loss. 5 tips and hacks to win every game. Now let's move on to some powerful tips and hacks that can help you win your games. Tip 1. Opening principles. Remember the 3 golden opening principles. Control the center, develop your pieces, and castle early. This sets up a strong, defensive position for your king and connects your rooks. Tip 2. Think ahead. Always think a few moves ahead. Consider your opponent's potential responses to your moves and have a plan in place. This will help you anticipate and counter their strategies effectively. Tip 3. Practice tactics. Regularly solving chess puzzles can significantly improve your game. These puzzles often present you with a situation to win material or deliver checkmate, helping you recognize patterns and tactics during real games. Tip 4. Manage your time. Time management is vital, especially in timed games. Avoid spending too much time on a single move. It's better to have a good move now than a perfect move when you're in time trouble. Tip 5. Learn from your games. Finally, always analyze your games, especially the ones you lose. This helps you identify and work on your weaknesses, transforming them into strengths over time. That's it for today's video, folks. Remember, chess is a beautiful journey of constant learning and improvement. I hope these tips serve you well on your chess journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more chess insights, and until next time, keep your king safe and your mind sharp. Checkmate.